Alexa, stop. Hey, what are you guys doing here? It's kind of creepy, you know, be watching me sleeping. Well, I mean, since you guys are here, let's vlog, you know? Like, let's vlog. Wait, why does my head hurt? What's on vlog? How is it using that as a pillow? Let's vlog. Hello. Hi guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. But today we're gonna be doing something just a little bit different. And like I said, kind of in the intro, kind of introduce you to what I was kind of doing just a little bit. But what does that look like? A Lego piece, obviously. But what does this one look like? A 6-piece Lego set. And that 2 of these equals 6. Now what does this one look like? Look at this one and this one. What looks different? Turn to the side. What do you mean? Whoa, this one's way thicker. And this one's way thinner. How crazy. And what's this I see? What is this? Well, if you took and split this like that in 3 parts, you would get these little pieces. 1, 2, 3 of them. And if you took 2, 1, 1, 2, and times that times 2, 1, 2, you would get the 4 block. And yeah. Alright, now let's get on to the actual video. Just a little teach you a little something. Okay, but today the real reason is to build. You know, like maybe build something. I think that'd be fun. Let's do it. So the first block, the first piece I'm gonna want and need is this lovely block. The next lovely piece I'm gonna need is this one. Now we're just gonna click them. Just like that. Now they're connected. Now we're gonna grab this one and we're gonna connect it on that one. Now we're going to take this other one and connect this on that one too. Now behind the camera, I'm sorry I have to grab one of you. Hopefully this is an okay view. But now I'm going to get this one. I have to push it down. I can't get it, y'all. Are you guys excited? Tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day. I mean, probably the day you're seeing this is St. Patrick's Day. So happy St. Patrick's Day if you celebrate it. But let's continue. Will not go down. I'll be back when I get it. Got it. Okay. So now I have this big thing. Now we're gonna take this slime one and we're gonna. Guys, look it. It's massive. Let's stack some more. I have to move the camera again. Crazy. Come on. I got it. I got it, guys. Don't worry. You know. Now. Next piece I'm going to be... Whoa. The next piece I'm going to be using is this purple piece. The next piece I'm going to be using is this other gray one. And then the next piece I'm going to be using is another gray one. It'll be crazy if it works. I got it. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to take this green one. We're going to put it like that. We're going to take this too. And then we're just gonna pat down. Like that. Oh, it's crazy. It's so big. Now I'm gonna test something out. I'm gonna show you what it is when I'm done. Hi. built a wonderful chair. No. Sorry. No, I have it. Like a little hole in the middle. And we're gonna try to sit on it. Let's see if it's sturdy. Alright, ready? I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. We're going good. Oh! Okay, I see you. Here. Okay. Now, with this other one that I built, it's a footrest. Crazy. Because I have like a full furniture set, bro. Ah. So nice. Oh, I love it. So, this is, if you have a 3D printer at home, print some Legos. Like, these can be used as seats, people. Seats. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Actually, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed today's other short video of Tuesday. Hi. But, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like again. Subscribe. Turn on all post notifications to always. And stay nice. Hashtag Battle Squad. Love you. Peace. Bloopers.